As many of you seem to have a problem getting rid of Skype for Business, which comes in your Office 2016 pack, today I'm going to make a short tutorial on showing you how to do that. As you can see, I have Skype for Business installed, but I really don't use it, so I want to delete it. First, close Skype for Business, then go to your taskbar and exit, so you can actually edit the files. Then, go to your computer, see Programs x86, Microsoft Office, and then type link, which for some reason is the name for Skype in this pack. Then you can just drag and drop, drag across all of these. Make sure you have everything in one selected, and then just delete. You have to click to do it for all of them, because you need administrator permission. And then after you've deleted them, you can go refresh and nothing should be here. So you can easily check if it worked by going back to your Skype for Business, opening it up, and it should tell you that there's a problem with the shortcut because, well, it doesn't lead anywhere anymore. You can just delete this and be done with it. But before you delete it permanently, you should probably check your other Office applications just in case. It shouldn't fuck anything up, but hey, you never know. But as you can see, everything's working fine. Well, I hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a rating and a comment, and thanks for watching.